For centuries, Americans have commemorated the participants, and especially the casualties, of the many wars in our history through the creation of various types of monuments. The Memorial Bridge, joining Portsmouth to Kittery, Maine, was built in 1923 in the aftermath of World War I, a truly horrific and essentially senseless conflict that had ended about 5 years earlier. Between about 1920 and 1980, many memorials in America were built not as figurative sculptures portraying heroic soldiers, admirals, and generals, but as useful infrastructure, community-based projects such as libraries, auditoriums, highways, and even bridges that could be identified with signage as a memorial. Scholars call this era the period of the living memorial movement, and the Portsmouth Bridge falls neatly into that category. The lift bridge served its purpose of connecting Maine and New Hampshire for about 90 years before it deteriorated and needed to be closed and eventually taken down. Its replacement, modeled after the design of the earlier structure, making use of the original piers, was completely open for traffic in 2013. The brass plaques from the 1923 bridge were saved and have been reinstalled on the new structure. It remains a memorial to the sailors and soldiers of New Hampshire who gave their lives in the World War 1917 to 1919. When the bridge was completed in 1923, a 5-year-old girl named Eileen Foley, daughter of Helen Dondero, later the mayor of Portsmouth during World War II, snipped the ribbon to open it to traffic. Eileen Foley herself would later serve as mayor of Portsmouth for 8 terms, among her many other contributions to the city. Remarkably, 90 years later, in 2013, 3 years before her death, Eileen Foley was on hand again to dedicate the replacement bridge.